Assalamualaikum. Welcome to all of you. I am very excited to talk about effective speaking or communication in spontaneous situations. I thank you all for taking our time and to listen my note. So grammatically correct topics, which is which is fast thinking and smart talking. Communication techniques. Someone told me that catching people's attention is hard, so I try to draw attention of some of you. I believe we can become a effective communication by actually communicating with each other. So today we are going to talk about a little thing in terms of your approach, your attitude, and your practice. The things that can change how you feel when you communicate in public. Primarily, we are going to talk about one type of public speaking, that is planned speaking. The type that you actually spend time on thinking about your mind, even create self for. The other thing we are going to talk about is spontaneous. Spontaneous speaking, when you are in a situation where you are asked to speak of the cup in the moment you are explore. So our agenda is simple. In order to be an effective communicator, regardless of it being planned or spontaneous, you need to have your anxiety under control. Second, we are going to talk about in our some ground rules for the in- instructive we will have today, and then finally we are going to get into the heart of what will be covering. So let's start with the agenda. Anxiety management. 80% of the people tell us that they are nervous with speaking in public, and I think think the rest 20 are lame. I use the word manage very carefully because I don't think we want to overcome it. Anxiety actually help us, give us energy, and bring our focus to what is important, but we want to manage it. So I would like to introduce you to a few techniques that can work with, and all of these techniques are based on academic research. It is it is on of your communicator to help your evidence feel comfortable, and we can do that by managing our anxiety. So let me introduce you to a few techniques that I think you can apply right away to help you feel more comfortable. The first one you have to do when you begin to get those feelings of anxiety. Research tells us that when we begin to see those symptoms, we simply create our anxiety and say, hi, this is the me feeling nervous because I am about to do something of consequence. Just taking a deep breath, because creating or uh, acknowledging your anxiety is normally and natural, like 80% of people have it. There are techniques that help very well, and that has to do with informing how you see the speaking situations. Most of us, when we are up presenting, planning, or spontaneous, we feel that we have to do it right, and we feel like we are performing. When you are present, there is no right way. There are certainly better or worse way, but there is no one right way. We need to see this as a conservations, not a performance. Another very useful technique to make a to make a conservational is to use conservational language, make a great impact on what we are going to say. So being a conservational can also help you to manage anxiety. There are a search on how your orientations to time influence how you react, and what we learn from this is that bring yourself to the present moment rather than being worried about the future, worrying about the consequence. This make you less nervous. Like for student, you might get the grades you want, you might not get the luck that you want. All of those are future status. So if we bring ourselves into the present moment, we are not concerned about the future, and therefore we become less nervous. There are lots of way to become present oriented. I know professional speakers. He is paid $10,000 per hour to speak, and it's a good judge. He gets very nervous of people, but behind the stage, what he does in 100 push-ups right before he comes out. You cannot be that physically active and not be in the present moment. So it is very possible for us to manage our anxiety. We can do it in a daily by creating the anxiety. When we begin to see the sign, we can do it when we are reform say the situation is a conservation, and when we do it we become present oriented. Thank you.